Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a super simple midweek delicious sabji. I've been meaning to share it for so long. There are so many things I've been meaning to share, and this one is just a simple delicious patta gobi. Now patta gobi is a Hindi word for cabbage. Patta means leafy, gobi means cauliflower, so it's a leafy cauliflower is called cabbage, which actually makes complete sense. So I'm just making a quick sabji that will be ready in minutes and it's going to taste delicious. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. And I literally just need two ingredients, which is a patta gobi, which is a cabbage, and a couple of potatoes. So that's it. I'm going to firstly quickly chop them up. So just using, you might have noticed I always use these red potatoes because they are a great all-rounder and these grow locally, and actually they are perfect for cooking Indian food. Really good. So just gonna chop it up first. And now the cabbage. And this I'm just going to thinly slice. So a nice hot pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, oil of your choice, a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Just let them sizzle. So simple. This is like the easiest thing to make ever. So potatoes and cabbage goes in. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can put chili of your choice. I'm only using half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of salt. And now just give it a good mix. Just 2 tablespoons of water. All that's need to be done is, first of all, it's quite high heat, so I'm going to lower the heat and then cook this between low to medium heat for literally 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on for 8 minutes. So the timer has gone off for 8 minutes exactly, and I'm just going to check the situation for the potatoes. Right, let's check this. Ooh, almost done. So now I'm not going to cover this, and I'm going to cook this uncovered for 5 minutes, and I'll increase the heat a little bit to medium and then kind of let the bottom crisp up a little bit as well. I'm going to finish this with half a teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. And that is it, guys. The cabbage potato sabji is ready. I'm so used to saying patta gobi that's what comes to my mind. It smells incredible. We literally made it in 12 minutes? 15 minutes cabbage potato sabji, and also so healthy, so delicious. You could put it in a wrap for picnics. This might sound unusual, but this is really good in a toasty. So if you just sandwich it in some white bread, it is absolutely delicious. And if you want to have it as part of a big meal, then make some dal, serve it with some rice. You can decide for yourself. It is so good. Right, let me quickly taste it for you. It's special in its simplicity, and I really hope that you will give it a go. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll see you back very soon with another new recipe. Have you ever tried cabbage sabji before? Let me know. It's so good.